Welcome to the world of comfort, where the air is always just right. This is Masters Heating and Air Conditioning, your trusted HVAC installation service. Nestled at 980 South Academy Street in Ahoskie, North Carolina, we are here for you 6 days a week, from 8 in the morning to 5 in the evening. We specialize in a range of services including AC repair, air duct repair, heater repair, and heater installation. Our team of professionals are known for their reliability and responsiveness, ensuring your comfort is never compromised. In the words of our satisfied customers, Masters Heating and Air Conditioning is the epitome of professionalism. So why wait? Experience the difference and feel the comfort with Masters Heating and Air Conditioning. And remember, keep in touch. Follow us on Facebook for updates and more. Your comfort is our command at Masters Heating and Air Conditioning.